Today's question is all about making a card. Do I need a template or can I make my own? This is the Creative Crafters Podcast. Hi, I'm Bette from Bette's Makes, and this is your questions answered. Now, that is a really good question. Templates are always great, and they quite often add a lot of pizzazz to what card you're going to make. But if you just want to make a basic card and then hand draw and do other things to it, it is really simple to do it inside of Design Space. I have a couple of little simple things for you. You have to decide how big your card is going to be. When you open up your card, how wide is it going to be? Also, you need to know how high it's going to be. Once you know how wide and high, the rest is pretty simple. All you need to do is go to Design Space, click on your shapes, and grab a square, and then go to the very top and unlock the sizing and type in your dimensions under width and height. For example, if you wanted a 5x5 card, you would type in 10 for the width and 5 for the height, and then lock it back up, and that is your perfect card. The only thing that'll be missing is the score line in the middle. So all you need to do for that is go over to the shapes again and pick on the score line, which should be in the top left. Click on it. Once again, go up to sizing, and this time you would just type in 5, I believe it's for height. And now you have a card and a score line. Select them both, then go to Align and pick Center. Everything is lined up perfectly, and then all you need to do is attach. So that is a very, very, very simple way, at least to get the outline of a card. What you do with the rest of the card is entirely up to you. You can buy little bits of embellishments and glue on later, or you can try and create your own right here in Design Space. So just remember, it is just 2 shapes you're going to be using. All are free. You want a square and you want a score line, and then you will unlock the sizing and put everything the way you want it. This has been your questions answered and the Creative Crafters Podcast.